Here is how to add a member tag in WhatsApp group chats. First of all, you need to launch your WhatsApp application on your device, log into your account, and then go to the group section. Then open the group that you want to. Now tap on the group name in the top of the screen. Then go ahead, scroll down, and view the members of the group. You can go ahead and tap on Add Member Tag. Now you can enter your desired member tag. This could be a title, role, or how you want to be known in the group. This tag will be visible to everyone who have joined the group, including the new members. Once done, tap on Save, and your tag will appear below your name on the messages that you send. Remember that the tag only applies to this specific group chat. You can create different tags for different groups. So that's how you add a member tag in WhatsApp group chats. So if you want to learn more about WhatsApp other features, you can subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.